What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for healing our modern ailments isn't in a lab or a pharmacy, but it's right underneath your feet? Today, we're diving into The Morning Letter Written Barefoot, which explores this incredible idea that connecting with the earth can profoundly heal us. It sounds so simple, right? But stick with me, because this could completely change how you think about your health. Just look at this contrast. On the left, you've got our world, right? Concrete, asphalt, a world that kind of cuts us off. And on the right, you see pure, wild, untamed nature, just buzzing with energy and life. When you see these two side by side, you can't help but ask a really big question. I mean, seriously, why? How is it that so many of us are dealing with chronic health issues while the natural world just seems to thrive effortlessly? Well, the source we're looking at today suggests there's one simple, powerful reason. We have literally lost touch with the earth. So let's dig into this. We're going to unpack this whole modern sickness and, in the process, rediscover an ancient answer that's been waiting for us all along. Okay, here's the big idea in a nutshell. Think about your day. You've got rubber-soled shoes on, you walk on pavement, you live in buildings. We are almost completely insulated from the planet's surface 24/7. Meanwhile, wild nature is in direct, constant contact with the ground. And this one difference, well, it's presented as the real root of our modern health problems. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds nice, maybe a little woo-woo, but it's not just a feel-good philosophy. There is some really interesting science behind it. So let's break down the 3 key scientific ideas that explain how barefoot walking can be such an amazing tool for healing. The healing magic of barefoot walking really stands on 3 scientific pillars. Each one explains a different way our bodies sync up with the earth to get back to our natural state of health. Let's take a look at the first one. First up is natural acupressure. You know, when you walk barefoot, the ground isn't just a flat surface. Every little twig, pebble, and blade of grass is pressing into the soles of your feet. This stimulates thousands of nerve endings that are all connected to your internal organs. It's like getting a free, full-body tune-up from the planet itself, waking up all these systems that have been kind of sleepy. Second, we have what's called earthing, or grounding. So the Earth's surface has this subtle negative electrical charge, and with it, a limitless supply of something called free electrons. When our skin touches the ground, our bodies absorb them and they act like super powerful antioxidants, calming the chronic inflammation that's behind so many diseases. It's almost like you're plugging your body directly into the planet's own healing energy grid. And the third pillar is all about getting our natural mechanics back. You know, our feet are these incredible feats of engineering, but most modern shoes act like rigid casts, making them weak. Walking barefoot strengthens all those tiny muscles, restores the natural arch, and lets your toes spread out. This doesn't just fix your feet, it actually corrects your posture and brings your entire body back into balance. Okay, so the science is fascinating, right? But the real wow moment comes when you see this stuff in action. The source we're looking at details some simple but honestly mind-blowing experiments that show just how powerful this grounding effect really is. All right, check this out. They took an onion and grounded it, connected it to the earth. The result? It stayed perfectly fresh. Meanwhile, the ungrounded one just withered away. Its life force was literally draining out. Then they did it with milk. The grounded milk didn't just spoil and rot like you'd expect. Instead, it fermented in a healthy way. That's a process driven by life, not decay. But this next one, this one is the most astonishing for me. A grounded goldfish not only stayed alive for 5 days without any food, it was still energetic and healthy. It was as if it was drawing life energy straight from the earth. And finally, a grounded rubber tree thrived and grew even when it didn't have enough water. All of these experiments are pointing to the same incredible thing. That same life-sustaining energy is available to us, too. We just have to plug in. So experiments on onions and fish are one thing, but the real power is in the human stories. And let me tell you about a truly incredible case study from the source material. Meet Miss Jung Sun Young. For 10 long years, she lived in total darkness after her optic nerves were damaged. Then she decided to commit. She started barefoot walking every single day, and after just 10 days, the changes were just profound. Her vision started to brighten, she began sleeping deeply for the first time in forever, her depression started to lift, and her whole sense of vitality came flooding back. And her own words really just say it all, don't they? She made this promise to herself, holding on to this beautiful hope that by reconnecting with the earth, she could literally bring light back into her world. It's just such a powerful story about the healing potential that's waiting right under our feet. So, are you feeling a little inspired? If you're thinking, okay, I've got to try this, that's awesome, but it's really important to start your journey smartly and safely. Let's quickly go over the essentials. Okay, first things first, safety. Always look where you're walking. Scan your path for anything sharp. Your feet are going to need some time to get used to this, so start small. Maybe just 15 or 20 minutes a day. You can build up from there. And hey, for total peace of mind, it never hurts to make sure your tetanus vaccination is up to date. And listen up, this is a super important pro tip, especially if you live in a dry climate. After every single walk, make sure you wash your feet thoroughly and then apply a good, thick moisturizing cream. This one simple step will keep your heels from cracking and keep your skin healthy and ready for your next walk. So, what is the #1 absolute secret to success with barefoot walking? It's not about how long you walk. It's about how often you walk. Consistency is everything. The real life-changing benefits come from making this a small but regular part of your daily routine. You know, by taking this simple step, you're not just starting a personal health journey. You're actually joining a growing global movement and a really beautiful vision for the future of our health. The big dream here is a world free of disease, a world where we all reclaim the vibrant health that should be our birthright. It's a huge vision, I know, but it becomes possible, one person and one step at a time. And your journey? It can start right now, the moment you decide to take off your shoes. And hey, you don't have to do this alone. If you want to learn more and connect with other people on this path, check out the National Barefoot Walking Movement headquarters on Naver Cafe. It's an amazing place to share info and get support. And of course, if you found this explainer helpful, it would mean the world to us if you'd subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for joining me, and happy walking.